Sometimes you'll find a video that you want to save but there's no download button anywhere. In this video I'll show you how to download videos from almost any website by only using Chrome. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you open Chrome and in the search bar type in Video Downloader Professional. Here click on this link. Then click on Add to Chrome here. Then click on Add Extension. From now, this is going to be an extension on Chrome. Then click here and click here again. And here you're going to find videos to download. And you're going to find here a download green button that you're going to click on for the video that you want to download. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.